Okay, live streaming. Let's get ready, guys. I'm back again.
All right.
Setting it up.
Turn on YouTube. Turn on to the live chat area first.
Yes. Let's see. Welcome everybody, okay, to another live stream by the Olympus Academy. So I am back, okay, and I'm also with Yongjing, who have been covering me for the past few days.
All right, say hi there, hi there.
Yes, so welcome back everybody. So today, it will be the same old thing again. We'll be talking about Euro USD and gold. Okay, so a lot have changed over the past week, and there's a lot of important news events, and of course, an upcoming important fundamental news event is the FOMC meeting minute on the 14th of December. That'll be in about a week's time. So without further ado, let me just delve right into the Euro USD chart. So guys, okay, if we look at the Euro USD chart on the daily time frame, let's start from the daily, guys. So the daily, you can see that price is still very, very bullish. Okay, it has actually, sorry about that. It actually went up a grand total of about 1,000 pips ever since the lows at 0.95. So we really can see that price is still very bullish, and we would not want to bet against this bullish price action. In other words, we would definitely want to look for longs. However, if we are looking for any short opportunities, do note that it will definitely be for an intraday perspective only. So there'll be no bearish shorts swings position that we'll be thinking about. So if we go down to the 4-hour time frame on Euro USD, you can see higher highs and higher lows being formed. Let me just grab my brush and let me show you where that is. So you can see that there's a higher high, higher low, another higher high, another higher low, another higher high, and another higher low. So we can see that there's higher highs and higher lows being formed over here, and this really signifies the bullish structure that we are currently seeing in Euro USD, and we will not want to bet against the break of any structure unless there is a confirmation, like a structural shift. So if you go down to the 1-hour time frame, guys, we can see that there is actually a change in market structure already being performed in Euro USD. And what I mean by that is that we can see these lows being taken out, liquidity being taken out over here, which led to a break of structure over here, the high here. So it is actually quite bullish right now, and price, actually came up about, let me see, about 30 pips, I would say. Sorry, no, 58 pips to 60, almost close to 60 pips, guys. So that's very strong, and we can see that price could potentially come up to clear this buy side liquidity here, or even tap on these supply levels above. Okay, so let me go down to the lower time frame to show you guys what I'm talking about. If I go down to the lower time frame, let's talk about the 5 minutes time frame, guys. Sorry about that. So we can see that there is a lot of liquidity at these areas, followed by a lot of market or fair value gaps right above these areas too. So there's a potential opportunity for shorts, but as I've mentioned just now, any short that we'll be looking for is only an intraday perspective, and there will not be any long-term swings that we'll be looking out for. Overall, we believe that the trend is still bullish, so we'll definitely be looking out for whether there's any sell to buy approach where we can potentially look for sells here, take it down to maybe even lower, and continue to look for bullish confirmations. So actually that would be it on Euro USD. And yes,
All right,
so yeah, Chen, you want anything?
Oh yes, can you enable the annotations?
Yes, and enabled already.
All right. Okay, sorry, nice. So you're just looking at your area also. I really agree that maybe I need to change the color. Drawing format white. I agree there's a lot of liquidity lying right there. So as what Chun said, possibly this area gets cleared. Look for potential shorts. A quick scalp just to this high right here before price continues. Bullish to the upside. So yeah, I really fully agree with what he's saying. All right, that's about it for Euro. Nothing much.
Okay, let me go to gold.
All right. I'll just clear out all my trades.
Gold. Let me start from the daily time frame on gold.
All right. Okay, just looking at the daily chart, let me get that drawing tool out. Price recently just cleared this nice little high right there. So maybe if I draw a nice line, just cleared out this area, price rejected to the downside. So right now, price also recently tapped into a nice little market inefficiency right there before it pushed upwards. So maybe we can move on to the 4 hours chart. All right, looking at the 4 hours charts, what I do not like so far on gold is there is it's quite a lot of underlying liquidity resting right here. Looking good for price to possibly come back down to clear out that area, maybe even to tap into that 4 hours demand area. So I'm just watching, waiting for that to potentially happen. But if we move back into the, okay, if we are in the 4 hour charts also, there is a breaker block right here. The price just tapped into. So maybe move on to the 1 hour, we can possibly look for some shorts. Possibly. Just clear out. All right. Very, very nice. So doing a better analysis right there. It's a breaker block. Price hasn't tapped into that. So potentially, if you are going to trade looking at the 1 minute charts, price can possibly tap into that area, you know, come back down, have a quick scalp to that area. So it's like a Nike tick. Ooh. All right. Nice. Okay, that's about it for maybe move on to 15 minutes. Is there anything?
Okay, let me move on.
All right. Let me just check out that area right there. Okay, hasn't tapped yet. Okay, if it did, okay, not yet. It just hasn't tapped yet. Price just steps into that area. Maybe move on to 1 minute.
So you go down to the 1 minute time frame.
Maybe zoom out a bit. Okay, never mind. 5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minutes.
All right, it's quite clear here. Quite nice. So if you want a very, very safe entry, you know, very, very safe entry, liquidity cleared right there. Potentially, you are looking for at least this area to be cleared. If potentially for price to, you know, tap in the area, comes down, breaks market structure shift, breaks up, retest for sell to clear this area. So yeah, any feedback actually?
Yeah, so I believe that price can also potentially come down lower on gold. However, as of right now, as of what we are looking at it right now, obviously price is, you know, kind of bullish in the case that it's moving upwards. However, of course, upon tapping onto the various fair value gaps or market efficiencies that Yong Jing have mentioned, we can potentially look for a short position based on some proper confirmations. So yeah, so that will be it for gold. And yeah, guys, so I think that will be it for today's session.
So yeah, please leave a like on this stream.
Yes, so please do leave a like on the stream and subscribe to our channel as well. It really means a lot to us. And as usual, our stream will be on from Monday to Thursdays. So thanks a lot for tuning in, guys, and do follow our social medias down on the link on the description channel below. So make sure to give us a like and a subscribe, guys. Okay, so thank you, and we will see you guys tomorrow again. Bye, guys.
All right, bye bye.
See ya. Peace out, guys. Hang on, let me end the live